Okay, so this is the case law and statute researcher agent that we built. So this agent helps professionals in the legal service like lawyers, paralegals, or law students save time on legal research. So what this agent does is do online research about any legal query for any specific jurisdiction at a given period. Okay, so all research information gets converted into a comprehensive report that then gets compiled into a Google document. And this is the report. It contains a title, an executive summary, case analysis, statute analysis, trends and predictions, with confidence scoring. Then it has a conclusion, and it also provides the source URL. Let's use form preview here. I'm just gonna minimize the side panel. All right. And then I'm just gonna go with this legal query that I have here. So then I'm gonna click run. Okay. Now this is the query enhancer. Now these are the tools that we're using to do case law search and statute search online. Then all the information gathered by these two components, by these two tools, gets passed into these two components here, which does the statute analysis, and then the other one does the case analysis. Then the output would be this. All right, and those output will be used in generating trends analysis and predictive analysis. And then after this, everything gets passed into the report generator component here, or LLM here, which will then analyze all the information, raw information provided, and then come up with the actual report, which again will have the title, executive summary, everything here. Okay, now we're creating the document. We've created the blank document here. Now we're formatting the content because we're using Google API integration to append the text. It needs to be in a certain format. So we need to format the text. It's not going to change anything. It's just going to format the text, the structure, into a format that would allow us to append it into a Google document. Okay, so now we have here a link. I'm going to copy this. This is the link to the Google document. I'm going to open a new browser here. I'm going to paste the document, and then okay, so this is the document. This is the title, this is the executive summary, and then this is the case analysis. And then we have here the statute analysis, trends and predictions. So as you can see here, these are the confidence scoring. Now we have the conclusion and the source URLs. You now have a legal document, research document here. That's the case law and statute researcher.